There's a liquid that crawls up the walls of its own cup, over the rim, and drips onto the floor. Nothing you do can stop it. It isn't magic. It's quantum physics you can see with your own eyes. You're watching the quantum verse. Pour any normal liquid, and it sits still in the cup. This one refuses to. Take helium, the gas inside party balloons, and chill it to 271 degrees below zero. Cross one exact temperature, and the liquid suddenly becomes something else entirely. Physicists call it a superfluid, and it breaks the rules of every liquid you have ever seen. It has zero friction, absolutely none. It flows without ever slowing down. Set it spinning and it spins forever. Squeeze it and it leaks through gaps only atoms wide. Leave it in an open cup and it escapes, climbing the walls in a film too thin to see. Warm it just a little and it erupts upward into a silent, endless fountain. No ordinary liquid can do a single one of these things. So what is really going on? The secret is that it has stopped behaving like a liquid at all. It's behaving like one giant atom. Cool helium far enough, and millions of its atoms drop into the exact same quantum state. They stop being a crowd of separate particles and start moving together as a single wave. Friction needs particles to bump and scatter. But one unified wave has nothing left to bump into. So it slips through cracks, climbs walls, and flows forever. Quantum mechanics, scaled up until you can watch it. It began with Heike Kamerlingh Onnes, who in 1908 became the first person to turn helium into a liquid. That unlocked the coldest place on Earth, and a kind of physics nobody had predicted. In 1938, Pyotr Kapitza in Moscow watched that helium flow with impossible ease. He gave it its name, superfluid. That very same week, John Allen and Don Misener in Cambridge saw it too. 2 labs, 1 shock, published side by side. Then Lev Landau worked out the theory behind it. A breakthrough that later earned him the Nobel Prize. And here is where it stops being a curiosity in a jar. Because the very same trick works on electricity. In a superconductor, the electrons themselves pair off and flow as one quantum wave. Electric current with zero resistance. Once it starts, it can circle a loop for years without fading. Onnes found it back in 1911, cooling mercury until its resistance simply vanished to nothing. A superconductor is really just a superfluid, one made of electric charge instead of atoms. And that is why a tank of liquid helium sits hidden inside the MRI machine at your hospital. Its scanner runs on a superconducting magnet, kept quantum cold, so it can see clearly inside you. The same physics chills the world's largest particle collider to below the temperature of deep space. The strangest behavior in all of physics isn't locked in a freezer. It's quietly holding up the modern world. A liquid that climbs walls looked like a magic trick. It turned out to be a window. A rare chance to watch the quantum world, normally invisible, acting out right in the open. If the strangest rules of reality are already running the machines around you, how much of the normal world is really quantum in disguise?